The Most Powerful Idea in the World, A Story of Steam, Industry and Invention, by William Rosen is a captivating exploration of the Industrial Revolution, focusing primarily on the development and impact of the steam engine. This book is not just a chronicle of technological advancement, it's a vivid narrative that intertwines science, history, and economics to illustrate how a series of inventions transformed the world. Rosen begins by setting the stage in the pre-industrial world, describing a society where manual labor and animal power were the primary sources of energy. The narrative then shifts to the crux of the Industrial Revolution, highlighting the steam engine's development as a pivotal moment in history. The author delves into the lives and works of key figures like Thomas Newcomen and James Watt, whose innovations in steam power not only revolutionized industry but also laid the groundwork for future technological advancements. The book explores the concept of intellectual property and how the patent system played a crucial role in fostering innovation during the Industrial Revolution. Rosen argues that the legal framework for protecting inventors' rights was instrumental in driving the rapid pace of technological progress during this era. Throughout the narrative, Rosen skillfully illustrates how the steam engine's advent led to unprecedented economic growth and social change. The rise of factories, the expansion of trade, and the urbanization of society are all depicted as direct consequences of this technological breakthrough. The author does not shy away from discussing the darker aspects of the Industrial Revolution, including environmental degradation and the harsh realities of factory life. Rosen's writing is engaging and accessible, making complex technical and economic concepts understandable to a general audience. His ability to connect technological innovations with broader historical trends makes The Most Powerful Idea in the World a compelling read for anyone interested in understanding how a single invention can change the course of history. In summary, The Most Powerful Idea in the World is a thorough and enlightening account of the steam engine's invention and its profound impact on society. It's a book that not only tells the story of a pivotal moment in history, but also offers insights into the nature of innovation and progress.
Thank you for watching. If you found this summary enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. For those interested in diving deeper into The Most Powerful Idea in the World, you'll find a link to purchase the book in the description below. Happy reading!